You and I both know how this goes. The second Samsung's next UI shows a hint of progress, it takes over the conversation. And right now, One UI 9 is already making noise like it could level up Samsung's design language again. So let's talk about what's showing up early. One UI 8.5 beta only just started landing on the Galaxy S25 series, and yet the attention is already drifting to what's next. That's the Samsung ecosystem in a nutshell. One beta stabilizes, and the next major upgrade instantly becomes the headline, especially when leaks start surfacing. Before we get into the One UI 9 visuals, quick heads up, Galaxy S26 Ultra pre-orders are officially live, and the savings are real. You can score up to $900 in trade-in credit, or $150 off even if you're not trading anything in. Here's where it gets better. Use the code PAYPAL50 to knock off an extra $50. Plus, you'll get an additional $30 credit. Students can save up to $90 as well. And there's also a $37.50 discount on the Galaxy Buds 4 with this offer. Links and full details are in the description. Now back to the leak. As soon as a beta starts to feel steady, early internal builds and chatter about the next update ramp up fast. New images shared by Terranvats suggest One UI 9, expected to be based on Android 17, could further polish what One UI 8.5 is already building toward, starting with something familiar. One of the screenshots zooms in on Quick Share, and this is where the design shift shows up. The bottom floating element looks like it's been reworked, and the overall presentation comes across more intentional. Once you notice it, it's hard to unsee. That lower bar now seems smaller and cleaner. The tabs look rounder, a bit more compact, and they sit in the layout in a way that feels more cohesive than before. It's not a dramatic redesign on paper, but the visual refinement lands immediately, especially when you look closer. What stands out is how it doesn't feel like a layer simply dropped on top of the screen anymore. It looks like it naturally merges with the content underneath, giving a subtle sense of depth. And with that slimmer, rounded shape, you also gain a touch of vertical breathing room. There's a reason that matters. Those little changes add up to an interface that reads more polished and more modern. But keep in mind, this is reportedly an early internal build, and Samsung is known for shifting a lot during beta cycles, so what you're seeing now may not be what ships later. During development, features can get toned down, shapes might be simplified, and animations often get reworked based on feedback. Samsung doesn't hesitate to adjust direction when usability comes into question, which makes this next detail from One UI 8.5 even more interesting. Because One UI 8.5 beta already brought a quiet but meaningful visual change. Samsung swapped out the older rectangular bottom bars from One UI 8.0 and moved to floating pill-shaped tabs. That alone marked a clear evolution in the design language, so naturally, One UI 9 could take it further. And that's the big question. One UI 9 may lean even harder into the rounded look, but if it creates usability friction, Samsung could still pull back or fine-tune key elements before the final release. Either way, the direction is becoming easier to read, and the timeline is coming into focus. One UI 9 is widely expected to launch alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Flip 8 in the second half of the year, which is why it's already shaping up as one of Samsung's most anticipated updates. What do you think of these early changes? Drop it in the comments. See you in the next video. Peace out.